Are you wondering what's for dinner? My name is Haley Mitchell, a County Extension Agent for Texas AgriLife Extension Service, and I might just have the answer to your question. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare a fast and nutritious meal that I am sure your family will love. The name of this recipe is beef Italian pasta. And this recipe calls for 1 pound of lean hamburger meat, 1 can of low sodium beef broth, 1 can of tomato paste, 1 3/4 cup of cooked penne pasta, 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, and 2 cups of fresh chopped spinach. Then it calls for 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Now, to begin this recipe, you're going to want to ground your hamburger meat, and I've already done that here. We're going to add it to our skillet, just like that. Next, we're going to add in our beef broth. And with this recipe having beef in it, it's going to give your family lots of protein. Next, we're going to add in our tomato paste, which has lycopene and vitamin K in it. Then you're going to add in your salt, your Italian seasoning, and your 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Okay, you want to stir this up real well, and you want to bring this to a boil. Now, once it starts boiling, you want to turn your heat down and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes or until you start seeing this mixture thicken up. I'm going to go ahead and set this aside. And I've already got this simmering right here, and it's been simmering for about 10 minutes. And you can kind of notice here that the mixture has thickened up. So from here, you're going to add in your 1 3/4 cups of cooked penne pasta, just like that. You want to stir this in real well and get your beef mixture on top of your noodles. And next, you're going to add in your 2 cups of freshly chopped spinach. And you're going to let this spinach cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or until you start seeing that spinach turn to a dark green color. Now, by adding spinach to this recipe, you're providing your family with lots of nutrition. All right, so we're going to let this cook and let that spinach get good and dark and green. All right, just like that. Now, you're going to sprinkle on your 2 cups of mozzarella cheese on top of this mixture here. And your cheese is going to provide you with lots of calcium. And you're just going to let this cheese melt on top of your dish. Just like that. Now, I would suggest serving this dish with one of your family's favorite vegetables and maybe a slice of garlic bread. This dish serves 4 people and it costs about $1.37 per serving. The next time you're wondering what's for dinner, I hope you remember Texas AgriLife Extension Service has healthy recipes and information that will help you answer your question.